Today for the Bitcoin and Ethereum price with DaVinci J15. We are going to talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum because there is right now something happening in the charts which I have never seen like this before. And I want to know from DaVinci J15, where is Bitcoin, where is Ethereum going right now in the immediate short term? Ethereum actually just broke the all-time high. Think about that. Bitcoin is showing first signs of a bearish fake out. So we want to talk about that. Are we going to go higher? Are we going to go lower? What about the price cycle indicator, which predicted the top? What about the Wyckoff accumulation pattern, which I actually talked about yesterday? More than 100,000 views, a lot of likes. Thank you so much for that. But now let's go straight into the content, guys. Thank you so much for all your support here. Thanks for subscribing to his channel, to my channel. Press the subscription button, the bell, and on all. And also smash up the like button to a new all-time high if you want more of these videos on the sidelines. Now we are here in the mall and we just saw Ethereum breaking the all-time high. This is the moment where we have to come to you guys. So if you appreciate that, smash it up. And with that being said, I wanted to come to the most important question of today. DaVinci J15, how are you doing today, my man?
In the pot, 5 by 5, man. Yeah, you saw something flash on your phone and was like, okay, we got to do a video in the middle of the ball.
It was actually like that. It was actually like that. But yeah, man, the reason is because we see your guys' feedback, right? This is our fuel. If you like the video, if you share the video, if you engage with the video, this gives us the feedback. You want more of the videos, you want more of the signals, more of the updates we are having here for Bitcoin and for Ethereum. So now, we start with Bitcoin. This is Ethereum. I don't want to show too much yet. Let's start with Bitcoin before we are going over into the Ethereum chart. And maybe I'm talking about it just for a few seconds about my thoughts, and then you can share kindly what you think about the happenings on Bitcoin right now. This is the 4-hourly candles for Bitcoin, and we were floating around between support and resistance. And I'm basically mind blown how Bitcoin broke down here, even with some volume, and still the bulls are fighting back. And DaVinci, correct me if I'm wrong, Bitcoin going back into that pattern, personally, I would say this is something bullish because this is like a fake out towards the downside. When we are breaking out and then breaking back into the pattern, it's bearish. Now we are breaking down and going back into the pattern. This is very bullish in my opinion. And before I'm asking you what you think about the happenings right now in the market, there's a child screaming a lot. I wanted to remind the people that my last alarm bells are only ringing when we are breaking the previous low. Yeah, unless we are not breaking the previous low at $50,500, I am not ringing the alarm bells. And now I wanted to know from you, DaVinci, what do you think is happening here right now for Bitcoin?
Well, there's something called a failed move equals a fast move in the opposite direction. When we see price action make a failed move in one way and then goes opposite direction, tends to do that in a very fast form. So I think we might be seeing a fast breakout to the upside with Bitcoin.
Wow.
However, right, we got to break through. We got to break through the 57,000 level, right, for us to say for sure. Because a fail of that could mean lights out for Bitcoin for some time, all the way down to the $40,000 mark. Oh my goodness, don't want that.
No. I was actually talking about the $40,000 level in case we are breaking here the previous low, which didn't happen so far. So no alarm bells ringing. And I think this trend line could bring some severe resistance. Once we are breaking out, we have to break it. But in the moment we are breaking it, I think it's lights out, all out for all the Bitcoin bears out there. So far, we have to wait what's happening here. Personally, I found interesting, DaVinci, and once again, correct me if I'm wrong, I found interesting, wow, look at Ethereum, it's just a rocket ship. I found very interesting, let me go back quickly to the camera mode, that Ethereum breaking out, I talked about that 2 days ago, it could once again serve as a leading indicator for what's to come for Bitcoin. And well, Ethereum continues to go up, and the question is, will Bitcoin actually follow? Because this is what we had in the days, like few years ago. Ethereum broke resistance before Bitcoin did. And it seems like that this is repeating again. And I wanted to know from you, DaVinci, what are your thoughts on Ethereum? I wanted to remind the people I actually gave a signal, probably you talked about it as well, where we had this nice W pattern. I was quoting actually this price target here of $2,526. And well, guys, congratulations if you were involved in that trade. Congratulations for taking some profits in Ethereum. Congratulations for being subscribed to the channel, for using the links down below, and also for being involved in this amazing profitable long trade here. It's just nice to see how these W patterns are working out time and time again here with the confirmation all the way up to our price target. But now I want you to know, Da Vinci, what do you think is going to happen to Ethereum now that we broke the all-time high here among the 2,530 US dollar levels? Can we expect higher price targets or not?
Yeah, well, everybody fails to remember what Ethereum is an altcoin.
Kind of, right?
And so it's gonna break out of the pattern that hey, I'm gonna follow Bitcoin for forever. No, now it's time for Ethereum to really spread its wings, leave Bitcoin behind, and head higher.
Oh wow!
And so we're gonna see a separation from Ethereum and Bitcoin.
Wow. I'm not sure if, I'm holding a lot of Ethereum. I'm not sure if I'm happy about that. But yeah, of course, I should. As long as Bitcoin continues to go up as well in the future. Just a quick update. I had another price target here on the left-hand side, a little bit higher. Also, this one is hit yet. Now the question is, Da Vinci, what is the price target? And I would personally, I know you like it as well. I would personally pull out the Fibonacci, right?
Yes, the fib, the golden ratio is where you want to look at. Because we want to see how high this thing could go once we break the new all-time highs. And look at that beautiful... Wow. Look at that.
This is a number. This is music to my eyes.
Exactly. Almost $3,000.
Wow, 3,000 US dollars. Let's just see what the other ones are predicting here. But I would personally, guys, only look at the 3,000. We want to do one step at a time, right? So let's wait for a pattern to evolve. And if we are seeing a breakout, I think this could certainly be a nice price target to look out for. And then, of course, skies ahead for Ethereum. This will be not the end in this bull market. I'm pretty sure about that. 3,000 is probably not the end, Da Vinci. And yeah, maybe why not leave your price target for Ethereum for this bull cycle, maybe 3,000, 2,900 for the immediate short term. But what price are you looking out for here in the mid run until the end of the bull market?
I think at the end of the bull market we see 30,000 to 50,000 for Ethereum easily, man. Just unbelievable.
Ooh,
yeah.
That would be great. I'm at least 10, probably now 15% exposed to Ethereum. So this is certainly something I would love to see. Everyone probably remembers my 3-minute Ethereum update a few months ago when we broke this 3.5-year descending resistance on the monthly candles actually, and now Ethereum is just pumping up. I remember people were laughing at you and at me for being so bullish on Ethereum because it took some time until we were right, but eventually it was the exactly right moment to get in. And I know you sold your bears, your goal to get into Ethereum.
Exactly.
That was a great, that was a great one. If you want to see more of these private stuff, how he's selling his gold to buy Ethereum and so on, follow him also on Twitter at DaVinciJ15, my Twitter at MMCrypto, his Instagram at DaVinciJ15, my Instagram at ChrisMMCrypto. And with that being said, Da Vinci, do you have anything last to share before we are wrapping it up for today?
Always play from a position of strength and do not get wrecked.
Do not get wrecked, guys. Thank you so much for watching. There is this link down below, DaVinciJ15.com, where you get Pandora's wallet and early access to his live streams and so on. That is a beautiful thing. Also, you will find 2,520 US dollars for free. At a 40x leverage, this is a 100,000 US dollar trade for free. Of course, you have to click the links down below. Of course, they need a deposit for that, but you can leave your deposit on the sidelines and only trade with the free bonus in the pinned comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And as always, guys, did you say don't get wrecked already?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, and as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.